Auto Body Shop and collision repair experts, serving Raynham, Taunton, Middleborough, Bridgewater, Lakeville, the South Coast and South Shore.
When our customers give glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide every customer with a first-class experience. We love hearing great feedback because it really is our goal to satisfy everyone who works with us. Now that's a total win-win situation.
5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Choose the repair shop that works for you by calling 508-824-6500 today.